What I do is I make it so that if anybody looks to sue you, it'll look like you own nothing. That if they were to sue you, that it'll make it a nightmare for them to try to come after you. And what does a nightmare mean in litigation? It means having to risk thousands and thousands of dollars with the mere hope of being able to get something out of the other party. Now ask yourself, as an investor and as a business person, do you go to Vegas rolling dice hoping that you'll recover? Probably not, and neither will an attorney that they might ask to take the case on contingency. As attorneys are in the business of only taking basically guaranteed wins. And if we make it such that it is a gamble for them to try to come after your money, they just won't do it. And that's what we specialize in. We make it as difficult as possible at Royal Legal Solutions for anybody to find out what you own or for them to succeed against you in a lawsuit. And even if they were to succeed against you in a lawsuit, their ability to come after your assets would be minimalized to the fullest extent of the law. My name is Scott Royal Smith. I'm with Royal Legal Solutions. I'm an asset protection attorney that specializes in real estate asset protection. I'm a real estate investor myself, and I'd like to help you.
If you think attorneys are overpriced, I'm with you. That's why I shoot these videos. I have the Royal Legal Solutions blog, the REI Nerds podcast, and I'm featured as a guest on the best and leading real estate investment podcasts in the country. Whatever you need to know, I have the answers for you, and I can help you get where you want to go.